are pleased to show you the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capabilities comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, heated steering wheel, compass, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, electronic stability control, panic alarm, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.